Let's talk about high school. What if it wasn't just about what you could learn, but what you could actually build? That's what we're digging into today. We're looking at a place called Hunterdon Polytech, and it's all about getting you ready to build a future with your own two hands.
So let me ask you something. Whether you're a student or a parent listening to this, have you ever felt like there's something missing from the typical high school experience? You know that feeling that it should be about more than just sitting through lectures and reading textbooks?
Well, that's exactly the promise of a place like Polytech. It's all about an education that's built around doing, creating, and really getting you ready for what comes next. The whole philosophy is pretty simple, actually. Give students real-world hands-on learning. That way, you're not just getting a diploma, you're getting a launch pad for whatever's next, whether that's college or jumping straight into a career.
And hey, don't just take my word for it. This idea is backed up by people who've actually gone through it. Check out this quote from an alumna, Carly Ryan Venecia. She just nails it. She says it's not just about learning a skill, it's about understanding an entire industry and what it really truly takes to succeed.
All right, so what's the big idea here? What's the secret sauce? Let's dive into the core philosophy that really powers every single program at Polytech.
Okay, so at its heart, it all boils down to something called career and technical education. You'll hear it called CTE. And you know, the most important word in that whole definition might just be the smallest one, or. See, this isn't a track that forces you to choose. It's for students who are totally heading to college and want a head start. And it's for students who want to jump right into the workforce with some seriously valuable skills. It's all about creating options, not boxing you in.
All right, let's kick things off with the options for high school students. If you're searching for a complete 4-year high school experience that is, well, anything but traditional, then you're going to want to pay close attention. So for high schoolers, it really comes down to two main paths. First, you've got the full-time option. That's your complete 4-year high school experience all in. But what if you love your current school? Well, then there's the shared time path. This lets you kind of plug in specialized training right on top of your existing schedule. It's pretty cool.
And when we talk about going full-time, don't think it's just one size fits all. Nope, there are actually 3 totally different ways to dive in. You've got the core career-focused programs, a pre-professional school in performing arts, and then these super-focused specialized academies.
So, those core Polytech programs, that's where you're building real tangible skills. We're talking about stuff like learning to diagnose and fix diesel engines, mastering a professional-grade kitchen, or getting the actual certifications you need to be an electrician. These aren't just classes, you guys. They are direct lines to careers people are hiring for right now.
But hey, what if your passion is more on the stage? Or maybe even behind the curtain? That's where the School of Performing Arts comes in. This is intensive, pre-professional training. So you're not just putting on a play, you're learning everything, from dance and acting techniques to the super complex lighting and sound design that really makes a show pop.
And then, for all you problem solvers and innovators out there, you've got the specialized academies. Now, these are intense. We're talking 4-year programs where you're not just studying science, you're actually working in biomedical labs, you're writing code for real-world stuff, and you're engineering solutions to big environmental challenges. It's literally about tackling the problems of the future starting today.
And listen, if you're thinking, this hands-on stuff is just for kids going straight into a trade, think again. Get this, 100%, 100%. Every single student who graduates from these academy programs goes on to college or a university. That's just incredible proof that this kind of focused, practical education is one of the absolute best ways to prepare for higher learning.
Okay, but what if you're already a junior or a senior, and you really don't want to leave your high school? No problem. That's exactly what the Shared Time Path is for. It's designed to enhance the high school experience you already have.
The whole idea is so simple, but it's really powerful. You spend part of your day at your regular high school and the other part at a Polytech campus picking up these amazing specialized skills. And the best part, the biggest benefits, you can actually earn college credits and get industry certifications before you even have your high school diploma in hand. That's a huge advantage.
And the range of programs they have is just wow, it's incredible. I mean, think about it. You could be learning the ins and outs of cybersecurity in the morning and then head right back to your home school for English class in the afternoon. From allied health to automotive tech, there's a path for pretty much any interest you can imagine.
You know, this quote from a parent really hits home for me. It shows that these programs do so much more than just teach a skill.
They help students find their focus, they sharpen their interests, and they give them the confidence to go after their goals, like in this case, a career in medicine.
But here's the thing, the learning doesn't have to stop when you get your high school diploma. Polytech also has a whole bunch of programs for adults. It doesn't matter if you're just starting out, thinking about a career change, or just want to add some new skills to your resume.
A huge part of the adult programs is the apprenticeship model. The idea is so simple, but it's kind of revolutionary. Earn while you learn. It's this powerful path where you get paid, on-the-job training, and classroom instruction, which means you can build a career without racking up a mountain of student debt. And when you look at the specific programs, you can see they're really designed to get rid of the financial hurdles. For example, the YES program offers free services for young adults, and the PACE program, it gives you free training that even includes a paid work experience. On top of all that, they have these targeted courses for adults in super high-demand fields like HVAC and welding.
Okay, so let's say you're interested. You're thinking, this sounds pretty good. What's the next step? Let's break down how you actually apply and get started on your path.
All right, for anyone looking at the full-time high school programs, this timeline is key, so listen up. Applications open up on September 15th. The deadline is a firm December 15th. And then decisions come out on January 12th. You're definitely going to want to get those dates on your calendar.
So what do you actually need to apply? This chart breaks it down nice and simple. All the full-time programs are going to look at core stuff like your GPA and your attendance record. But if you're aiming for the School of Performing Arts, you'll also need to do an audition and have a resume ready. And for those super competitive academies, there's also an admissions assessment you'll have to take. Now, for the shared time and adult programs, the process and the deadlines are a little different. Your best bet for all the details and to apply is to head straight to their website. It's hcvsd.org. Think of that as your main hub for every single program we've talked about today.
So whether you see yourself shaping metal in a welding shop or shaping the future in a biotech lab, the opportunities are just huge. Polytech offers so much more than just a different kind of education. It really offers a totally different way to think about your future. So the only real question left is, what are you going to build with yours?